Women will rush you when you know these 7 things. Fellas, let's keep it real. Most men have been taught to chase women, decode them, impress them. But what if I told you the game flips completely once you understand 7 core truths? I'm not talking gimmicks. I'm talking real, grounded, masculine energy. Women rush toward men who move differently, men with presence, purpose, and peace. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 things every man must know to stop chasing and start attracting the kind of feminine energy that aligns with his value. This isn't about tricks, it's about transformation. And if you stay to the end, you'll never look at dating or yourself the same again. 1. Women aren't complicated. You just haven't upgraded your mindset. Women aren't as complicated as you've been led to believe. You've just been operating with the wrong mindset. See, it's not that women are some mysterious puzzle to decode. It's that most men haven't upgraded their frame, their self-respect, or their internal compass. If you're always chasing, constantly confused, begging for replies, or trying to figure out what she really meant in her last text, that's not love. That's mental chaos disguised as romantic pursuit. The truth is, when you move like a man with purpose, standards, and emotional discipline, women stop becoming confusing and start becoming predictable. You won't need to chase, because women naturally gravitate toward a man who's not trying to win them over, but instead living a life they want to be part of. So no, women aren't complicated. What's complicated is trying to lead with neediness instead of presence. Change your mindset and watch how fast the dynamic shifts. 2. Know your mission. A man who knows his mission doesn't chase women, he attracts them effortlessly. Why? Because purpose is magnetic. When you wake up every day with clarity, vision, and something you're building, whether it's your business, your body, your craft, or your legacy, women feel that energy. They don't need to be convinced to pay attention. They're drawn in by the certainty in your step and the focus in your eyes. On the flip side, when you're aimless, drifting, and looking to women for direction or identity, they instinctively pull away. No woman wants to follow a man who doesn't know where he's going. So here's the truth. Your mission comes before any relationship. It gives your life structure, your words weight, and your presence power. Chase your purpose with fire, and you won't have to chase women at all. They'll be the ones trying to catch up to you. 3. Know your value. If you keep treating her like a goddess while acting like a servant, don't be surprised when she walks all over you. Women don't rush to men who pedestalize them. They rush to men who value themselves. Real talk. You are not a fan. You are not lucky just to be in her presence. You're a man with depth, options, and a vision for his life. Start moving like it. Confidence isn't arrogance. It's the quiet tower of knowing what you bring to the table without needing applause for it. When you stop seeking her validation and start standing on your worth, everything shifts. She doesn't want a man begging for attention. She wants a man who commands it by how he carries himself. So stop bowing down, sit on your throne, and let her rise to meet your standard. 4. Know how to communicate. A lot of men think being loud, dominant, or overly assertive makes them alpha, but that's not presence. That's insecurity in disguise. Women aren't drawn to noise, they're drawn to clarity. Real communication isn't about flexing or flooding her with words. It's about knowing what you mean, saying it with calm conviction, and letting your energy speak louder than your mouth. A man who knows how to communicate doesn't beg, doesn't bluff, and doesn't need to prove his point. He simply delivers it with quiet certainty. That's magnetic. When you speak with purpose, not pride, when you can listen without getting defensive, when your words are few but firm, she feels it. She leans in. Because deep down, every woman is wired to respond to a man who speaks with masculine clarity, not emotional chaos. Real man doesn't talk to impress, he speaks to connect. And women feel that. When your words carry weight, when your tone is steady, when you can look her in the eye without flinching or performing, she listens, not just with her ears, but with her entire being. Weak men overtalk, insecure men boast, but solid men, they say less, mean more, and leave impact. 5. No emotional control. One of the fastest ways to lose a woman's respect is to lose control of yourself. Men who can't regulate their emotions, who argue like boys, pout when they don't get their way, or explode at the first sign of pressure, don't come across as passionate. They come across as unstable. And no woman feels safe or attracted to a man she can't emotionally trust. Real strength isn't shown in how loud you get, but in how calm you remain. Masculine energy is about steadiness. It's about being the eye of the storm, not the storm itself. You don't have to be emotionless, but you do need to be emotionally anchored. When she tests you, when life hits hard, when misunderstandings show up, you respond, you don't react. That self-possession is rare, and in a world full of chaotic men, it makes you stand out. Because a woman may be drawn to your looks, intrigued by your mind, but she rushes to the man whose peace is stronger than her chaos. 6. Know how to lead. Leadership isn't about barking orders or trying to dominate. It's about creating direction, clarity, and confidence in every step you take. A woman doesn't want to feel like she's dragging a man through life, constantly wondering what he wants or where he's going. She wants to follow, but only a man who actually knows how to lead. That means you decide with confidence, you plan with purpose, and you carry yourself like someone who's not waiting to be told what to do. Real leadership is felt in your energy, not just your words. It's in how you walk into a room, how you handle conflict, how you take charge without being forceful. Women are drawn to men who bring direction, not confusion. Pressure pushes them away. Presence pulls them closer. When you become the kind of man who can be trusted with more than just her body, her peace, her emotions, her future, you won't have to chase. She'll be running to keep up. 7. Know how to walk away. One of the most powerful things a man can master is the ability to walk away with his dignity intact and his standards unshaken. When you're not afraid to lose her, you become a man she doesn't want to lose. Most guys stay stuck in situations where they're no longer respected, valued, or even truly wanted because they fear being alone. But the truth is, not every connection is meant to last. Not every vibe is a bond. And if your peace, your purpose, or your masculinity is being compromised just to keep her, then you're not in a relationship, you're in a prison. The man who can walk away isn't cold, he's clear. He knows his worth. He knows that letting go isn't a loss, it's a level up. Because when a woman senses that you don't need her to validate your value, she either rises to meet your standard or gets replaced by someone who will. Conclusion. So there it is, 7 mindset shifts that turn the game in your favor. Because once you stop moving like a man who needs her and start moving like a man who knows himself, everything changes. Women notice, women respect, and women rush to be a part of your world, not because you begged, but because you led. If this hit home, do yourself a favor. Like, comment below which of these 7 hit you the hardest, and subscribe for more real talk built for men who are done playing small. Share this with a brother who needs to hear it. And remember, peace, purpose, and power always win over pressure. Stay solid, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.